Morning fellas, Ben back again with this. This is Ben, the 411, and I am yet to put out a video on all the mods that's gone into this. What you see in the front is a rally tower, and what you have here today this is about this particular device on the bike. This is from Aoocci or Aoocci, and this is their latest offering. I'll skip all the hype. There's too much hype now on everything. I'll straight jump into what this is about, and this is by far the best navigation device that is in the market. Why? Because it's the cheapest and the best built navigation device in the market. You would not find something that's out there which can do offline navigation at this price and this well built, unbelievably well built a device coming from Aoocci. Aoocci as a brand, I have used their C5 Pro, C6 Pro, BX, and all this I've not encountered problems with them. There are people who have had issues. I very strongly believe it's to do with installation. One click of a button and the thing arrives at your doorstep without any confusion, no customs issues, no nothing, absolutely nothing. Yeah, so coming to today's hero, this is the U6. We'll talk about the bike later. There's a video coming up with all the mods that's gone into this to make it what it is. It is a serious rally style machine. Now, please don't get started on air-cooled versus liquid-cooled and is the 411 really a good platform? It is a fantastic platform. If you know how to extract power from the engine, then this machine can do it all. Is it a competition-style motor? No, it isn't. It's a long-stroke motor. No long-stroke motor is a competition-style motor. It's for puttering around and also having brisk moments of entertainment. For forever and ever and ever. That's what this motor is all about, and that's what I've made out of this machine. A machine that can do sprints, that can do rallies, that can do enduro business, and just keep doing it for life, not exhaust it in one go. So we'll talk about the machine some other day, but for today, sorry again, I keep going off on a tangent. So without further ado, let's jump into the Aoocci U6. Now, this is the U6. Now, how do you know? About this model is that it comes with a bezel. It's a sunlight screen, sunshade sort of a thing, and looks the part. Just look at the fit and finish of this. This comes with a C-type cable, so you can run power directly with the cable. You don't have to hardwire it. I've hardwired it. It's a bunch of cables. That's the only downside to this, but you can't help it. Comes with a dedicated GPS device mounted here, if you guys can see. Now this picks up the signal from the satellite, and so the fit and finish is absolutely stunning. The screen quality, screen resolution, everything is at a different level. It's a 6-inch, really nice, wide, big screen and complements my rally tower really well. So yeah, jumping straight to this, Aoocci, ride safe, drive fun, Aoocci. Android smart screen. Now, what separates this from their entire lineup is that this is not a dedicated CarPlay device, whereas this is more like a tablet. It's a tablet which can run Android. This thing can run. This is an Android device, a proper tablet. It can so it's connecting to my Wi-Fi, and Apple CarPlay will come up. This is also a CarPlay. But this is not a dedicated CarPlay device. This is a dedicated tablet which runs Android. I don't know which version. There you go. It's gone into CarPlay, the usual Aoocci, the usual, all the CarPlay devices. That's what this is mirroring my mobile phone now. I have all my CarPlay apps and all that. So if you want to exit this, just press on exit and this comes up. This is the Android device OS. And so that's your Google map coming up here, and that's my live location. Then we have the front and rear tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS. It comes with the usual bunch of accessories, tire pressure monitoring system. It comes with cameras front and rear. I haven't installed the cameras because I don't need this machine to be, I don't take this machine out on trips. This is strictly off-road business. So yeah, all I needed was the tire pressure monitoring system. Fantastic. I've got 12 psi on the front, 18.5 psi on the rear. That's the range that I ride on with when I do sand. So that's the tire pressure, and then there's the CarPlay link, the audio output, and this shows it's recording, but it isn't because there's no camera attached to it. Anyway, so going back to home, and this is the best part. There you go. The best part is this: I can install whatever device whatever app I want from Google Play Store. So Google Store, and installed these two apps. Now, these are the apps that I use. I use Guru Maps. I've been using Guru Maps for a really long time to navigate with. This is an offline map. You can disconnect the internet and you can start relying on the GPS to get your location. So nothing to worry. And this is a game changer, fellas. Again, launch issue. 1 second. So maybe where's that? Go to settings, apps, DMD2, force stop. Okay. Yeah. Now let's try it again. There you go. Now this is a game changer, fellas. This is nothing like what you guys would have seen. This is something else. This is a crazy, crazy app, and yeah, I wish all of you could. I mean, I've only started learning about this very recently, but this thing is a game changer. It shows you your current location. It shows you like just look at that. The internet is a little bit slow, but yeah, this is an offline app too, so nothing to worry. You can download your own maps with this. You can make your own tracks. Like, like this is going to be fun. So watch. Maybe or let's just let me just pick. Let me just pick something interesting. Let's just say I pick this. Navigate, use DMD2, off-road, hard, start. Missing map files. Anyways, it's to do with the internet, I guess. So yeah, maybe navigate, off-road hard, start. Yeah, so yeah, the offline maps for the route are downloaded. Now, how you can go about doing that is home and where's that? Settings, sorry. No, it's somewhere here, I guess. So yeah, there you go, base map, download map. So this thing, Asia, and then we have India South, download. Now this takes forever. I need a very strong internet connection to download that. So once I've downloaded that, then maybe no problems. It'll start planning my route. It'll show off-road hard, off-road medium, off-road easy, on-road, off-road, whatever. So just saying, I'm going to do that. I just started figuring this out, but this is this is a game changer. Like literally, these two apps, Guru Maps and DMD2, Man, what a blessing to have these two run as an app on this device, and all I need to do is just rely on the GPS, and I get my current location. Now, can I plan routes? Can't I plan routes? All that's coming up for another day. But for now, I am extremely happy that I got a device that can run offline navigation, and wow, what a joy that is. So these two are game changers for me: Guru Map and um, DMD2, and that was it. That was the only reason why I got this. I agreed to getting this from Aoocci, and yeah. So my Rally Tower is now a dedicated Android device, and then I have my instrument console from the 411. I have a backup mobile phone carrier on top. Again, it has its own charging unit. This is from Mad Dog. It's called the Mad Dog Claw. Again, waterproofing, huh? There you go. And then this is the power outlet for the rest of it. Cigarette lighter charger. And then this is hardwired to my battery. So this pulls out power from my battery. And yeah, so the world of apps await you. There's another a navigation app called Gaia. So you can use that as well to navigate with. That's the satellites being picked up. Let's just quickly see settings. Shows you everything. Shows you weather and all that jazz. So all the details that you want. This is like a proper tablet. And very happy that what could you ask for? A serious tablet device, very good screen, fantastic resolution, almost intuitive touch. Well, if you guys like this fella, I wouldn't be making this video if I didn't really believe in the product. I very strongly believe in all that these guys have been putting out, and I love their after sales service, how they back you with hundreds of questions come my way relating to these products, and everything that I shoot their way is answered with solutions, not with problems, and immediate answers for anybody who's faced with problems with Aoocci devices. You can send me messages or text me on Instagram, and I shall try my best to get your problems resolved by giving you solutions. What these guys say, and these guys are very prompt. So yep, that's the latest U6. There is a discount code on this. It's BenPhilip 25, BenPhilip 25. Try a BenPhilip 28. That was active up until recently. If that's still active, you get a 28% discount. Otherwise, you get a BenPhilip 25% discount. And I will mention the discount code. I will also attach an independent link in the description of this video. If it helps, it helps. One more time, just look at the DMD2. So DMD2 is crazy. DMD2 has a home screen where you can customize. You can have, let's just say, I wanted Guru Maps here, and then I wanted, where's Google Maps? Google Map here, and I wanted Chrome, just to be sure. So you can customize the whole damn thing. You can customize all these inputs. You can customize these inputs. And this is the navigation, the roadbook business. You can download a roadbook and just upload it to this, and this will start. This is rally-friendly navigation, fellas. This is at a different level altogether. This would be speed, coolant temperature, all that if you can. This is for the dedicated DMD device. This is not going to be working with an app. So just saying, if you get the DMD device, then all this can be hardwired. Then we have, we have from the DMD app. If you make it the home app, you can access all the apps from this this widget or this screen. And then settings, powering off DMD. Okay, anyway, so that was DMD. Then Guru Maps as usual. I can trust this fellow. This has this. I've downloaded Tamil Nadu already, and this also has contour lines, hill shades, it depending on the kind of map that you choose. So I have, that's my offline map, let's just say cycling, and it shows routes. All the dotted lines that you see, these are cycling worthy trails. Anyway, so if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Do get this, and and now it's a beautiful world where everybody gets to use everything for cheap, like real cheap. Anybody and everybody can experience all the joy that once was dominated by certain brands and certain names and at certain price tags. So yep, it's a garment replacement, solid garment replacement, and more than happy to have this on board. Ben signing out for now. Ciao.